30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days. What's up, YouTube? Sweatpants Joe here, and I'm doing 30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days on this channel. I'm going to review them all. We're going to get to the bottom of this chicken sandwich war. Today I'm at McDonald's. Remember the last time I reviewed it, when it first came out, I didn't particularly like it. I'm at another McDonald's this time, and I just got the classic. And let me hold it up. Here we go. This is the McDonald's classic chicken sandwich. Very no frills chicken sandwich, by the way. Chicken patty, pickles, bun. No mayonnaise, nothing. Nothing. You get nothing. Nothing. 30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days. Here we go. First bite of the McDonald's crispy chicken sandwich. 30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days. Looks like it's all white meat inside, and I just dropped one of the pickles. One of the pickles just fell out. 30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days. That's unfortunate. It's on the floor of my car. Got fuzz. Can't eat that now. Can't eat it. Here's another bite. The combo with large fries and a drink, $8.79. 30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days. The bun is soft. The chicken isn't that good. Not a lot going on. 30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days. One more bite, and I'll tell you my score now that I see the pickle in there. Now, we scored these on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to go 6.2 for the McDonald's chicken sandwich. It's just not very good. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. It's just not very good. I'd rather go with the other places before I give McDonald's my money for a chicken sandwich. Let me know in the comments below. Have you had the McDonald's chicken sandwich compared to the other ones? Do you think I rated it too low? Do you think I rated it too high? Here's the scorecard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. 30 chicken sandwiches in 30 days.